Hi guys, do you want to add these delicious Apple collectibles to your platformer? Then you're at the right place, because today we're working on that. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Save your projects as a new copy from episode 4 and rename it to be episode 5. We never forget to do that. Now, let's begin by adding our first collectible. I am going to choose an Apple collectible. And I am going to make it smaller from the costume, so we don't have to use that set size to blah 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 blocks that often. And maybe a little more. There, nice. Hey, let's see this rectangular thing? Let's fix that by adding a transparent rectangle around the apple. Now, there, all around. Now, go to the Code tab and add a When Green Flag Clicked block, then a Hide block. And then a Go to Front Layer block. Wait until touching player. So it's waiting until it's being collected. And I did this wrong, not touching it. It has to be touching player. Then add a hide block. The easiest way to show that is that. Okay, while it's hiding, I want to play a sound. So let's go to Sounds tab and oh, there's already a chomp sound here. Such a perfect sound. Let's start sound chomp. And oh my god, much better. Now add a When I Start as a Clone block to make more of these. Then move the entire Wait Until stack and blow it to the Wait When I Start as a Clone block. Then switch to Show block at the flag script to be a hide block, and add a Show block at the When I Start as a Clone hat block. Then a Go To block after this Go To Front Layer block, and a Create Clone block. Okay, it's collected. Now, after we show the apple sprite and choose a new position, duplicate these Go To X, Y, and Create Clone blocks, and switch the X position for me is 92 and 77 the Y position. Hey, you know what? Let's collect the green flag again. Set this X position to -100. There will be a bug here. Now, did you see that? Did you see that? The same apple is here on scene 2. What sort of a thing is this? Here is a perfect way how I can fix this. Make a new variable, name it My Scene. When green flag clicked, set My Scene to 1. And also set My Scene to the empty value after these Create Clone blocks. Now what does this mean? What have we done to this harmless apple by setting its scene to nothing? This goes to the way early computer programming language. We have sent the apple to the NULL room. This room is where non-shown sprites are gone, like it's hidden there. Add a when I receive change scene block. If else, if scene hash equals my scene, then if it is, show, else hide. Now let's test it. And you know what? Delete this vertical level thing. It's such annoying. Now test it again. And there you go. It works, yo. It works. But you know what? We're repeating the same pattern again and again. Soon this when flag click script will get too much long. So let's make a new custom block to wrap it up. Name it place, a numeric input, scene, costume name, a label scene, then a matching input scene, a label XY, and two inputs X and Y. Might as well click the run without screen refresh and click OK. Now separate the when green flag click script and take the set my scene to block and then take it to the custom block. Then add a switch costume to block. Then we need a go to block and finally a create clone block. And finally, take the set my scene to blank block at the end of the custom block. Okay, now let's plug these things up. Costume name goes to the switch costume block. Then scene to my scene, X to X and Y to Y. Now separate the flag script again and add a new set place block. Enter the costume name and notice this apple is lowercase a. It's because that I choose it from the library, of course. The scene is 1. The X position for me was -87 and the Y position was 39. Then duplicate this and add the second apple. And then delete these chunk scripts. Now it works. Everything more tidier. Now I'll add 3 more apples maybe to this scene, second scene. Why not? Do is add that bobbing up and down effect you saw from the video. Now switch this wait until block to a repeat until block. a change y by block in the repeat loop, and then some math. Add a multiply block, say for 0.5 at the left side, a sin block at the right hand. Then make a new variable and name it frame. Then in the beginning, set the frame variable to 0. In the repeat loop, change frame by 5. And finally, put the frame variable as for the sin block. Now look at this. Oh my god, it's really saying, come and get me. Now let's add a collection effect. Why not? After the start sound chomp block, add a repeat 20. Change y by, where's that block? Change y by 2. And then change ghost effect by 5. Oh my, the level is so alive! And guys, that is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, to support me further, please submit your projects to the studio linked in the description. For now, see you next time! Bye bye!